Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. In today's video, we are going to make chili paste ama pilipili ya kukaangwa, and you'll need 1 tablespoon sugar. Here we have garlic cloves, we have spices, we have tomato paste, we have green and red pepper. I used half. I only had white onion, so I used white onion. 1 cup red chilies, you can use even green ones, and 3 small potatoes. We have cooking oil and vinegar in place of lemon because I didn't have lemon, and of course a storage jar. So we'll begin by blending everything together. I blended everything together to save time. Yes, as you can see, I placed everything in my blender, even the chilies. I added oil. I was avoiding to use water by all means because once the tomatoes are blended, they're going to produce a little bit of water to help with the cooking process. So yeah, I forgot to add the clip where I added the vinegar. I think I lost it. So you blend. Once everything is blended nicely, you transfer the paste on a cooking pan or a sufuria. Then you just stir. Here I just added the remains that I had rinsed. Add tomato paste just to make sure everything is held together, if that makes sense, to thicken the paste even more. Yeah, you keep on stirring. I kept on stirring to avoid burning or sticking. So next I went in with the spices. I used garam masala, coriander powder, I used pilau masala, salt and sugar just to break down the acidity and to add a little bit of sweetness to the paste. Then I mixed everything together. At this point now we just let it cook slowly on low heat for 30 to 45 minutes. The goal is to make sure that all the water in this paste is gone, or it is nicely cooked. You should only remain with the paste and oil, and they should be separate. So at this point we were getting there, so I just kept on stirring just to make sure it's not burning. "45 minutes later, and it was all cooked. It was well cooked. You can see the water is all gone. We are remaining with a nice looking paste. So at this point we just need to remove it, let it cool, and store it in a tight jar, glass jar or plastic, whichever you prefer. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.